Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the circuit safe. Cut power at the breaker and unplug the appliance so you eliminate shock risk. Once done, clear the area and remove the rear access panel to expose the compressor and service valves. This lets you work without obstruction. You should gather tools now: multimeter, wrenches, brazing torch, nitrogen bottle, vacuum pump, and gauges, because pausing later increases leak risk and contamination. Make sure to wear gloves and goggles. Safety prevents costly mistakes. You next recover refrigerant using a certified recovery machine so you comply with regulations and keep the system clean. After recovery, disconnect the electrical harness and remove the start relay or capacitor so the compressor wiring is free. Label each wire to avoid confusion. Then unbolt the old compressor and position the new one, aligning vibration isolators. Tighten mounting bolts to the manufacturer's torque spec. Finally, braze the suction and discharge line connections while flowing nitrogen to prevent oxidation and internal contamination. You will evacuate the sealed system to about 500 microns with a vacuum pump and hold for 15 to 30 minutes to remove moisture and non-condensables, because contaminants ruin oil and valves. Once stable, weigh in the manufacturer's specified refrigerant amount. Accurate charging ensures proper cooling and compressor life. Then restore power and monitor running current and discharge temperature. Finally, perform a soap bubble or electronic leak check at every joint. If the compressor fails to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.